So as you can see by the title, today I've got some new watercolour paper, and this is by Fuumuui. It's new in Amazon. It's only just come out a little while ago, and as you can see here, it's 100% cotton paper, and it's at a really good price. I think it's around about £19 or $20, somewhere around there. And the one that most people seem to be buying is the Baohong stuff. I've never tried that, so I can't really compare it to that, but this is cheaper than Baohong. So, and it just says watercolour paper, but that does look like a block. Let's open it up and have a look. Right, finally. So it does look like a block, but maybe it's not, who knows. Right, so open that, and it is indeed a block, which is even better. I'm sure with the arches, or arch, you're talking about, I would think, double the price of what this is. As you can see here, it's got a little bit here where you would put your palette knife in once you finish painting. Put it in there. Well, you can get it in there. So you then put your palette knife in here and then take that sheet off, so you don't have to stretch the paper. In terms of grain, this does say it's cold press. There's not much texture on that. If you can see it on there, you probably can pick it up on the camera. There's not a lot of texture on that at all, which is good for me. Let's just compare that with, here's some harsh I've got. Let's just take that off of there. So the texture, this one on the right is the harsh. That is also cold press, but that looks like it's got a much more texture than this. And also we've got Bockingford. This is Bockingford cold press. I'm just going to do this paint on here, but for the texture, you can see on there as well that the texture on the Bockingford is much more pronounced as well. So that's that. Obviously, the next thing is going to have to be what it's like to paint with, how it accepts washes and whatever, and how much the paint either sinks in to the paper, or if it's more like a pulp type paper. Because you can never really tell when, I mean, lots of things with painting, you will get, you know, some paints and whatever, it will say professional quality, and it's nothing like professional quality. It's terrible. So we'll have to see whether this is good or not, as the case may be, when I do a bit of painting with it. So that's going to have to come up in a future video, but for now it's good that it's in a block. And as I say, it's only, I think it was £19, which is about $20, maybe $22, so it's really good value stuff, and it's in a block. So we will see what it's like when we paint on it.